A very good morning to my dear students. I hope you all will be good. Today we are again going to do irregular verbs. As you know, previously we did the work on OIE textbook. So today we are going to do the work on OIE workbook, page number 35. The learning objectives for this lesson are: can I write the past tense of the given irregular verbs? Can I circle the irregular verbs hidden in the word search? Students, if you remember in the previous lesson, I told you about verbs. That verbs are the action words which tells us that what is happening. Okay, and I also told you about the regular verbs and the irregular verbs. I told you that regular verbs are those verbs which follow the pattern of ed. Okay, and irregular verbs are those verbs which do not follow that pattern. Irregular verbs. Irregular verbs do not follow the usual pattern when we use them in different tenses. So we don't put ed or d in front of a verb to change it into a past tense. So the irregular verb does not follow this pattern. I have given some examples over here. I will read it out for you. Sit, sat. Ring, rang. Break, broke. Go, went. Think, thought. Bring, brought. Take, took. Become, became. Speak, spoke. Give, gave. Write, wrote. Stand, stood. I hope it will be clear. Now take out your OIE workbook and open page number 35 of it and write down date and day classwork on the top. As you can see, the topic is more irregular verbs. So we are going to do some more work about irregular verbs. In the previous lesson we did the verbs to be verbs, and in this lesson we are going to do the irregular form of the action verbs. Part A. Use a dictionary to find the past tense of these irregular verbs. As you can see that they have given you some irregular verbs over here, and in front of the verbs they have given a blank, so you have to write the past tense of these irregular verbs in that blank. I will read out the words for you. Awake, become, bring, bite, choose, freeze, know, eat, rise, catch, speak, hang. So you have to write the past tense of all these irregular verbs in the space provided. Now come to part B. Circle all the irregular verbs hidden in the word search. There are 26 altogether. So as you can see that they have given you a word search over here, and you have to find 26 irregular verbs in this word search. You can use your color pencils to circle the verb, and you can also write them in the space provided if you want. Now I have given you the answers of part A and part B, but please first do it by yourself, and then after doing it check the answers that whether you have written it correctly or not. Part C is going to be your homework, so I will explain you how you are going to do it. Part C. Choose 5 of the irregular verbs and write a sentence using each one. After doing the word search, you have to choose any 5 irregular verbs from the word search, and you have to use those verbs in your sentences. Homework. Do part C of OIE workbook, page number 35. So I hope the homework will be clear to you. You have to do it on the workbook. The answer key of the homework will be Upload it soon. Take very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.